Hi guys, it's me Jhay Anne and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing some unboxing and we have this Catrice Christmas box look 3. Looks like this and the back looks like this. So from the back we have like 5 products and look at the design, it's very pretty. I really like the box, the packaging of this, so let's go ahead and check this out. So yeah, I don't have to open. So if you open, when you open the box, it will look like this. This is, I think, a mini version of the advent calendar. Oh yeah, it looks like this. So nothing so much going on, it's just packed like this. So the first thing that we have is the little black one, volume mascara from Catrice. I don't have any mascara from them and it looks like this. This is 11 ml. Look at that packaging, it's very pretty. And this is waterproof. I knew it because it's because of the blue color. Normally, when the mascara is with a touch of blue, it means it's waterproof. So yeah, let me show you how it looks like. Oh, and this is the applicator of the mascara. Next, we do have this, wow, Catrice Cosmetics Illuminating Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. This is 100 ml. This is new, larger size. Smells like some plants or something like that, but it doesn't have like a strong smell, I would say. Next is we have this Luminize Highlight Bronze Glow Palette. Oh, look at the packaging, it's very pretty and it looks like this. So maybe be like this. So we have like one matte, oh, they are all like glitters, like they are like a shimmer, bronze and highlighter, but this one is like a little bit like less shimmer, the last one, compared to this one. So yeah, it looks like this. That's how it looks like. It's very nice. I do have also a Catrice that I'm using like for more than a year now. I really like it. So next we have this Catrice the Fresh Nude Collection Eyeshadow Palette. And it looks like this. I don't have any what do you call it, eyeshadow from Catrice. Like this. It's very nice color, nude color. And then we have the last one. This is magnetic accent lashes. I never had any like magnetic lashes. It looks like this. I think this is more, looks like this is shorter, so I think I can wear this. It looks more natural. This is like with lengthening effect, reusable, easy to apply, no glue needed. I need this, no glue needed, from Catrice Cosmetics. So yeah, that's all that we have. This is, we have like 5 items and this one cost 10 euros. So 10 euros 10 cents, so it's like 2.2 euros for these 5 items. I think this is not bad. They're all in full size. We have like big setting spray. I really like this one. mascara. They're all in full size. I like it all. So yeah, that's all that we have. And let me know in the comment box if you want to see a full face of me with this, with all of these makeups. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you again in my next video.